Welcome to Daylong Direct. We supply the widest range of compression hosiery in the UK, sent directly to your patient's home. Daylong is completely patient-centric. No one knows more about your patient's compression needs and the importance of fulfilling a prescription correctly. Once you have sent Daylong the prescription by free post or electronic prescription service, consider it done. Daylong is a dispensing appliance contractor with an unrivaled expertise in compression. A DAC is a business contracted to the NHS who can dispense appliances listed in the drug tariff against prescriptions issued by GPs or specialist nurse prescribers. Therefore, it is important that the clinicians have a specialist service to make sure the right products are delivered quickly to the patient's home. Our specialist knowledge on compression hosiery and garments allows us to dispense prescriptions quickly, usually within 3 to 5 working days on receipt of a complete prescription. Our long-term dedication enables us to dispense with great accuracy, off-the-shelf and made-to-measure compression garments. There is so much choice now on drug tariff for compression therapy garments, therefore, you will be pleased to know that we are able to provide all compression garments listed in the drug tariff by any manufacturer. Our process is simple. You make a clinical decision to prescribe a compression garment to your patient. The prescription is generated by yourself or the GP and it is sent to Daylong to dispense. It can be posted to us through our free post envelope service or sent to us electronically. Once Daylong receives the prescription, we will process the order and send it directly to any UK address. All products are sent by track and trace, Royal Mail, to the patient's home. And they also receive a free educational magazine aiding them to self-care at home. Patients can also opt for a remind service to tell them when it's time to renew their prescribed hosiery. Daylong delivers compression garments and wound dressings direct to the patients, NHS clinics and hospitals through prescription and non-prescription routes. If you would like to link in with Daylong and receive our free starter pack, please contact us by email, phone or online. We are here to help all day long.